Okay guys, here is box 5 of the minor pentatonic in A. So here we go. We're going from E string to thin E string. E string 3-5. We're going to go A string 3-5. We're going to go D string 2-5. Quite stretchy. We're going to go from the G string 2-5. We're going to go to the B string 3-5. And we're going to go to the thin E string 3-5. Descending this box 5, we go 5-3 on the thin E string, 5-3 on the B string, 5-2 stretchy one on the G string, 5-2 on the D string, we get 5-3 on the A string, and we get 5-3 on the thick E string. Worth noting is all those notes there help us to connect back up to the minor pentatonic box 1 pattern. We've gone full circle.